We have some injury news, and this time it's at least a little bit positive. If you watched the third race of the Birmingham Triple Crown, you saw that Carson Mumford did not finish it, which was pretty sad considering coming in qualifying P3 and with a fifth and a fourth finish in the first two races, he ended up with an 11th overall, even being credited with 21st for the third race after being pulled out. And he did have a quote saying, "I was feeling really good all day, riding just like I do every day at the practice track. I knew our hard work was going to show off, and it really was all day. Unfortunately, I went down at the start of the last main, and I got my leg run over. The x-rays came back good, and it looks like a sprained ankle." Now, obviously, with how many people have been getting injured, I mean, Birmingham itself, with losing Max Anstey before the racing even started, this year is absolutely horrible for injuries. So anybody who can make it through the season healthy, or at least, still racing is good. I mean, especially Carson Mumford, who coming off last season with the serious leg injury, he probably was very scared considering, maybe there's another year gone. Maybe there's, just another serious injury. But if he got out of it with just a sprained ankle, maybe a bone bruise, who knows? Uh, the next race for him, obviously, this weekend will be off as they're in Seattle. Correct me if I'm wrong. So the next race for the East Division will be April 5th in Foxborough, a race I will be going to because that is my part of the world. So good to hear. Hopefully, obviously with a week off, well, 2 weeks basically, before next race, he'll have some time to heal, do a little bit of training if he gets any time in that ankle or whatever is technically hurt. Some time to feel better. Not that anything's going to feel great, but and then come back for Foxborough and put in another good show. But comment down below, tell me what you think. Did you like the Triple Crown? Do you like the Triple Crown format in general? Whatever it is, comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.